Hello fellow YouTubers, this is Kyron.335 here. Today I'm going to be showing you all my Pokemon cards. As you know, I've been giving away my Pokemon cards to my friends. Okay, first up is our Kyron EX promo card. So we got a Kyron Holo Rare, Reshiram Holo Rare, Thundurus Holo Rare, Steelix, Krookodile, Blastoise, Onix, Crustle, Muck, Weezing, Ranunculus, Piloswine, Glalie, Terrakion, Dragonite, Vanillux, Seismitoad, Ursaring, Metagross, Ghetsis, Hypnotoxic Laser, Team Plasma Ball. Thank you. Please leave some comments and subscribe.